and 6 in exact order. Ang click na laro ng mga Pinoy, muling magpapapremyo. Let's play the 3D Lotto Game. Tatlong numero lamang po ang kailangan para manalo ng exciting prizes dito sa 3D Lotto Game. Sa game na ito, pag nag-match ang 3 numbers na napili mo sa 3D Lotto winning combination in exact order, panalo ka ng 4,500 pesos per 10 peso play. At kung naglaro at nanalo via the Rambolito system play, 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos ang premyo mo. At narito na ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number is 1. The second number is 0. And the third and final number is 9. Again, tonight's 3D Lotto winning numbers are 1, 0, and 9 in exact order. Let's double the fun. Dalawang numero mo panalong-panalo dito sa 2D Lotto Game. Dito naman sa 2D Lotto, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang premyo pag nag-match ang 2 numbers nyo sa winning combination in exact order. And if you win by the Rambolito system play, 2,000 pesos po ang take-home ninyo. Reminder lamang to all our lucky winners, you only have 1 year to claim your prizes. Good luck, 2D Lotto players! There you have it, our 2D Lotto winning combination. For the first number, we have 18. And the second number is 27. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning numbers for our 9 p.m. draw, we have 18 and 27 in exact order. Congratulations to all the winners! Sa mga nice naman maging ka-partner ng PCSO sa paglalaro ng STL, good news po, dahil maaari na po kayo mag-submit ng inyong applications. For the complete details, let's watch this.